Good morning, everybody. It's Friday the 13th, and we were told it's a bad luck day, but Spirit wants you to know that they were wrong. We have broken the chains that held us back, and the changes we've made in our life is positive. We had to gain confidence in ourselves fast, and we are receiving good news, good tidings, good luck. Everything good is coming to you today. Tend to the small things. You are being protected against a powerful friend. And they say your magical abilities are growing and you need to use them wisely. Spirit has a plan, and you are going to get recognized for your good deeds that you've done. A mystical force is guiding you, and you must trust your inner guidance. See the big picture and take care, because there can be losses with material wealth. You finding peace of mind, and they say that a forgotten promise will be fulfilled. You must just be a little bit more patient. You are going to get speedy news. Something's coming in quickly, and it's going to bring you brightness and hope. There has been sorrow and losses in our lives, and they want us to know that the magic works through you. They say that we are healers, and we have the power to help and heal others. There is happiness and bright prospects coming in, but we must understand that there is also the end to people and situations in our lives that are happening fast. Our loved ones say we need more laughter, and we must open up our hearts. Your potential for greater love rests in opening your heart, and your wishes are becoming true, are coming true. Have a lovely day, everybody. I love you all.